Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. So I'm super excited for today's video because I'm going to be doing a $1 makeup haul, and I'm also going to be trying out the makeup. And well, everything I got is from shopmissa, and I'm sorry for this, you guys. I know it's ugly, but like I was super excited, so that's why it's ripped like that. Anyway, shopmissa is not a very known company, but they do sell a lot of $1 makeup. Almost everything is $1. I found out about this company like a few months ago, and I've recently been hearing a lot more about it, so I was like, I have to give this a try. So here we are today, you guys. I'm super excited because I waited all week to film this video. I'm going to be trying out the products today, so that is why I have no makeup on. But if you guys want to see this shopmissa haul, then keep on watching. Before we continue, don't forget to click the subscribe button and also click on the little bell so you guys will be notified whenever I post a new video, and that way you guys will be here on my channel whenever I post. So let's get on with the video. Okay, you guys, so I didn't get that much like makeup. I only got what I needed, but if this goes well and you guys want me to do a second part, I could probably go order some face makeup, order a bunch of things so I can do a full face. So let me know in the comments. Well, first we have to see if it's good or not. So let me show you guys the tools that I got, because I didn't only get like makeup, you know, I also got some tools and like makeup bags. So the first thing I got is this makeup bag. It says I wake up for makeup, so I thought it was really cute. I have a lot of bags like these, you guys, so if you guys are interested, it is only $1. I sound like this is sponsored. It's not, you guys. I wish, but no. And then I also got this cute little bag, you guys. I've been eyeing this bag since forever. Let me put it against something so you guys can see it. It's like makeup, and I think it's in French. I don't know, but it's super cute and I honestly just love it. And so this is just like a little plastic bag, and it has like the Ziploc bag, you know, like those little, yeah, that. So it's like a little bag and it's super cute, you guys. I don't think my things will fit in here because I be taking my whole makeup collection to school and wherever I go, so maybe this will be for my brushes. I don't know, but I'm definitely going to be using this because it's super cute, super me, super pink, like so girly. But anyway, yeah, I'm getting too overexcited over this. And the next thing, kind of like a color switch. So it's just like a little, like those donuts for your hair when you want to make a bun. If you have one of those donut things, just use that. But I wanted to get one because I don't have one of those, so I got this. It'll be super handy. Well, I hope so. I'm gonna be trying it out. These are eyebrow scissors, and I honestly need these, you guys, because you know, like these eyebrow hairs in the front, I like to trim those. Wow, these are very thin, very, very thin. We love that. So let me trim my eyebrows because I haven't trimmed the front of my eyebrow in a long time. Oh yes, girl, these work so good, you guys. These are amazing, honestly. And now, you guys, what should I try? I think we should try this little thing. This is a AOA Studio Gold Brow. It's a brow gel. This is, I think it's cruelty free, so that is very good. You know that Anastasia brow gel? But like it's so little and it's like expensive, so hopefully this is good enough so I don't have to go buy that one. It's a tinted brow gel, you guys, and I got the shade dark brown. So it's this little tiny brush. Looks like Anastasia already. Honestly, you guys, like this feels dry. It does feel like a gel, like those clear gels, but I don't think it tinted them. Did it make a difference? I don't know. Let's try to see if I can use it like the Anastasia brow gel, or like to draw on your eyebrows. So let's see if that works with this. Mostly just feels like gel. It does look a little bit more like filled in now. This is what the other brow looks like. They do look good. I feel like for a natural brow, I guess it's good for that. So I think the color was perfect. I can't really compare it to the Anastasia one because I've never tried it, but I hope it does the same thing because I really wanted that, but I'm not gonna get it. So the next things I got were these two sponges, you guys. And this is actually the reason why I wanted to shop on shopmissa. I got the Wonder Blender, and this one is also one of those charity ones. And then this one is the Wonder Blender microfiber. These were actually $1.55. And well, that is because the 55 cents do go to the charity thing. So let's, oh wow, this feels so weird, you guys. It feels like, I don't know what this feels like. It feels really weird though. I don't even know how to explain this, you guys. And well, this one is like a grayish color, grayish, bluish, I don't know. This is so weird. It feels like, I don't know. I think you do wet this one, I'm not sure. This is the one that I heard really good things about. It's very soft, you guys. It feels like it's sticky, but it's not. You know, I don't know how to explain it. But it's super, super bouncy. And it's pink, you guys, like one of those beauty blenders. And then this one is also like the beauty blenders. I actually don't have any like the actual egg shape. I either have like the flat side or things like that, so I'm very excited to finally have one like this. So let me go wet this. I'm not sure if you could wet this one though, the microfiber. Okay, yeah, you can wet it. Let me show you guys. They did expand. They're pretty big, you guys. They are super big now. But you guys, the weirdest thing, you guys, I don't know if I should be worried, but I put it under the water and then I squeezed it out and like it looked like soap was coming out. I don't know if I should be worried or not. Like, I should have showed you guys. Like, I don't know if anything will come out. But like, can you guys see? I'm sorry for my crusty nails, you guys. But it's like soap. Do you guys see those bubbles? I don't know, that's super weird, but you guys, they're super bouncy. This one is obviously super, super soft. Why isn't it focusing? Okay. Yeah, so super soft, you guys. This one is whatever. This one, when I first put it in the water, it looked like plastic. So that's pretty weird. I don't know if that's how microfiber works, but I thought that was super weird. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Infallible Foundation. If you guys haven't seen my review on this, go watch it. So I'm gonna do one side with this sponge and then the other side with the microfiber sponge. I think the sponge is still wet. Okay, so right away, this just sucked up all the product. I'm gonna mix a little bit of my other darker foundation. And honestly, you guys, like, I'm not going to go ahead and blend it down my neck because I'm literally just doing my makeup for the video. It usually has more coverage and I don't feel like I'm getting that coverage with this sponge. I do love that it's like that egg one, so I can use the back of it. So I'm really happy about that. So now let's try the microfiber one. Okay, this is getting a lot more coverage already, you guys. It is applying it, like you can see the true color. Like, yes, not a lot stayed in the sponge. I mean, it still did, but not as much as the other sponge. Okay, yeah, do you guys see this? I do like how it's applying it. It is a little bit harder though, this sponge, but you guys, it is giving me that coverage that I need. I'm going to be doing the concealer with each sponge to see if there's a difference. Okay, this is so soft though. I don't know, maybe like it's not working as well because it's wet, but it is super soft, you guys. Okay, yeah, this just gives you a lot more coverage. Maybe because the other sponge just eats it all up. So I am a fan of this one. But the other one is just so soft. I just want to like pat my face all day with it. Okay, great sponges. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face and I'll be right back. The next thing I have here is this Amuse Cosmetics blush and highlight, and this is in the shade number 1. It is the Blush and Go. I'm gonna be real with you guys. When I saw this on the website, it looked nothing like this. Like, I will insert a picture of how it is supposed to look like, and this is what it looks like. This is the one I got, and the blush I think will be nice, but the highlighter, it just looks super dark and like purple. It looks kind of goldish on camera, I think, but it actually looks super like just like a darker color. So I'm going to apply the blush on and see if it looks nice. Okay, so it's not too powdery. I don't see it having any like kick up. Not too pigmented, but I think it is buildable. And that's a good thing because you don't want to apply too much blush, even though I always go overboard with my blushes. Oops. Okay, this is a cute blush. Can you guys see it on camera? I don't even know. So let me put more. And this is how not having too much blush turns into too much blush. But I just love blush, you guys. It just makes me look alive and like... And well, you guys, let me show you guys this brush. This is a highlighter brush and it is a fan brush. This is an AOA brush and I thought this would be a little bit more dense, but it is super thin and a little bit flimsy. Why can't it focus? Okay, so it's just synthetic fibers or bristles, I don't know, bristles. So let me try out this highlighter. Well, first let me swatch it. This is gonna be an eyeshadow for me. Yeah, that's going to be way too dark for me. Or actually, let me try it, honestly. I feel like this would be a good eyeshadow though. Not a highlighter because it is a little bit like chunky glitter rather than like shimmer. It looks nice on camera, but in person, it just looks like that chunky glitter, you know? Let me put some on my nose. I haven't used a fan brush in the longest time ever. So I got this AOA Studio Wonder Lip Lock 24-hour lipstick. Ooh, I got this in the shade Blossom and I think it's matte, but I'm not sure because it doesn't look matte in the little tube. Okay, so like a standard lipstick. This was $1, you guys. Oh my gosh, you guys. This smells like cherries. Is that why it's called Blossom? Like cherry blossom? Okay. Doesn't feel matte. Can you tell I don't really wear lipstick? Because this is hard. And this color, it honestly looks a lot darker than it really is. It's very sheer though. I take that back. It is matte. It's a cute color. I thought it would be a little bit darker though. I was hoping it would. What's next? I think the eyes are next. So I'm super excited for that. I didn't get any eyeshadows from shopmissa because I don't think I need any more eyeshadows. Okay guys, so let's see if this color switch works. I'm gonna be using this brush. I just did the eyeshadow and I just need a clean brush to blend it out more. So let's see how it works. Okay, yeah. Wow, you guys. This is so good to have. It has a lot less product at least. And that's what I need right now. You guys, so now I look crazy. You're probably thinking like, what is she doing? But I wanted to match my shirt. Didn't really match it. Next, I'm going to be using this brush. And this is like a concealer brush, but I'm going to use it to pack on eyeshadow. And this is just a tiny flat brush. This is the AOA Studio E122. I think this is a dupe to the Morphe brush that I have right here. Like honestly, guys, they look very similar. This one is just a little bit taller and a little bit thinner, but they look exactly the same. And this is the Morphe M421 brush. I was gonna do a cut crease, but we don't need to do all that right now, you know? I think it's a great eyeshadow, honestly. It is really nice though. Very, very nice as an eyeshadow. For cut creases, this is gonna be a great brush. You guys, in the lip, I don't know if I'm being crazy, but I feel like it dried down into a matte. Like at first when I applied it, it wasn't really like a matte, and now it is. Okay, you guys, so now something that I'm super excited for is this eyeliner. I'm super excited, you guys. Super excited. This is the AOA Studio Wonder Liquid Liner. I don't know if you guys couldn't tell already by all my videos, I love eyeliner. I absolutely love it. I love my winged eyeliner. I cannot live without it. Well, I can. I actually did a video trying to live without it, and I did it, so I can live without it. But I just love it so much. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is a thin brush. It's a brush, not a felt tip. Ah! Oh my gosh, you guys. We have to try it. Let's see if it's as good as I hope it is. My expectations are high for an eyeliner, you guys. Loving the brush though. It's super thin. The finish. Wait, let me let it dry, huh? Okay, but like for $1, this is pretty good, you guys. Okay, so I feel like it's not like a super matte finish. Yeah, this is a shopmissa, and then this one is my NYX. This one is longer and a little bit thicker, and this one is shorter and a lot thinner. But they're pretty much the same. I love the brush, you guys, from the shopmissa, but I love my NYX liquid liner. But for $1, you guys, like I could buy 7 of these for the price of 1 of these. So honestly, like, it's pretty good. Okay guys, so we're almost at the end of this haul. But the next thing that I got were strip lash adhesive. It has a brush tube and it says waterproof. It's clear. So this is the glue, and I was seeing the reviews on the shopmissa website, and it had pretty good reviews, you guys. $1.88. I can't use the glue without lashes. So you guys, I did get these lashes from shopmissa. These were $1 something. These eyelashes are different. It's a little bit fuller than this one, but honestly they look exactly the same, so I'm super sad about that because I wanted to try like different styles. That's why I got 2, but I got Jackie and Brianna. This one is Brianna. So this is what the brush looks like from the glue. Focus, focus. Hopefully this is one of those tacky ones. Okay, so these lashes do look super synthetic though, that you can see the shine. Ooh, these lashes are super cute. Look at that lash. Oh my gosh, that is super cute. Guys, it looks like I don't know how to do lipstick. That is so sad. I literally put my lash on wrong, this one. So now I look dumb, but you know what? It's fine. These are super cute. But overall, you guys, I really love these things. Everything I got, like, I'm going to keep using in my normal makeup routine, so I'm super happy about that. Shopmissa, I think it is worth the hype that it's getting, and I'm surprised that not a lot of people know about it. So I'm very happy with the things I got. So let me know if you guys would like to see a part 2. Let me know, and I will go order some more things so I can try. And well, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I know I did. So if you guys want to see more of me, don't forget to subscribe and click on the little bell so you guys will be notified whenever I post a new video. And also, if you guys enjoyed this video and you want to see me do a part 2, then give this video a big thumbs up and also comment down below. I will leave my social medias in the description box. Well, that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye!